Embark on unforgettable journeys with the right backpacking gear. Every step into the wild becomes a symphony of preparedness and adventure. From lightweight, sturdy backpacks to compact cooking systems, trusty navigation tools to cozy sleeping bags, these essentials ensure comfort and confidence in the great outdoors. Explore a world of meticulously chosen gear that transforms backpacking into an immersive experience, allowing you to embrace nature's beauty without sacrificing convenience. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 9. Zpacks Bagger Backpack. The epitome of ultralight design and functionality for backpacking enthusiasts. Crafted by Spax, a brand renowned for lightweight gear, this backpack redefines the limits of weight and performance. With its minimalist construction and streamlined features, it offers efficient storage without unnecessary bulk. The durable Dyneema fabric ensures strength while keeping the pack exceptionally light. The comfortable suspension system and adjustable straps guarantee a personalized fit for extended comfort on the trail. Whether you're through hiking, trekking, or embarking on a minimalist adventure, the Zpacks Bagger Backpack offers a reliable carry solution that embraces the ethos of ultralight backpacking. Elevate your outdoor experience with this innovative tool that combines durability, weight savings, and practicality. Number 8. Survive Outdoors Longer Phoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool. Your ultimate companion for versatile preparedness. Crafted by Survive Outdoors Longer, a brand dedicated to survival gear, this tool redefines versatility. With its multiple functions, including a flint fire starter, whistle, signal mirror, compass, and more, it covers essential survival needs in one compact device. The ergonomic design and durable construction ensure reliability during emergencies. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing unexpected situations, the Phoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool guarantees readiness. Embrace the power of comprehensive preparedness with this indispensable tool that stands as a testament to innovation and safety, offering a range of essential survival functions in a single pocket-sized package. Number 7. Gerber Vertebrae Compact Fixed Blade Knife. The embodiment of compact utility and reliability. Crafted by Gerber, a name synonymous with quality blades, this knife redefines portability. With its minimalist design and 2.4-inch blade, the Vertebrae offers precise cutting capabilities while easily fitting into your pocket or pack. The full tang construction ensures durability, and the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip during tasks. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing everyday challenges, the Gerber Vertebrae Compact Fixed Blade Knife guarantees dependable performance. Elevate your cutting experience with this essential tool that combines functionality, durability, and convenience in a compact package. Number 6. Nemo Tracker Backpacking Tent. The epitome of lightweight design and livability for outdoor adventurers. Crafted by Nemo Equipment, a brand known for innovation, this tent redefines comfort on the trail. With its spacious interior and unique trapezoidal vestibules, the tracker offers ample room for gear storage and easy access. The simple setup and color-coded poles ensure hassle-free pitching, while the durable materials and waterproof construction provide reliable protection against the elements. Whether you're through hiking, backpacking, or exploring the backcountry, the Nemo Tracker Backpacking Tent guarantees a comfortable and enjoyable outdoor stay. Embrace the perfect blend of weight savings and functionality with this essential gear that enhances your connection with nature. Number 5. LifeStraw Universal Water Bottle Filter Adapter Kit. The ultimate solution for clean water on the go. Crafted by LifeStraw, a leader in water filtration, this kit redefines hydration convenience. With its versatile design, it transforms your favorite water bottle into a powerful filtration system, removing bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. The 2-stage filter guarantees safe drinking water, whether from streams or taps. Compatible with most water bottles, the kit offers adaptability to your preferred outdoor gear. Whether hiking, traveling, or facing emergencies, the LifeStraw Universal Adapter Kit ensures access to safe drinking water, embodying innovation and reliability in every drop. Elevate your hydration game with this essential tool that combines portability and purification for worry-free adventures. Number 4. MSR Pocket Rocket 2. the epitome of lightweight and efficient backpacking stoves. Crafted by MSR, a leader in outdoor cooking gear, this stove redefines culinary convenience on the trail. Weighing just 2.6 ounces, the PocketRocket 2 is compact and easy to carry, making it an ideal choice for minimalist backpackers. With its fast boil times and precise flame control, it delivers reliable cooking performance, even in challenging conditions. The folding pot supports ensure stability while in use, and the durable design withstands the rigors of outdoor adventures. Whether you're on a through hike, camping trip, or exploring remote areas, the MSR PocketRocket 2 guarantees a hot meal in minutes, embodying innovation and reliability in every culinary experience. Number 3. Therm-a-Rest NeoAir XLite, the pinnacle of ultralight and comfortable sleeping solutions for adventurers. Created by Therm-a-Rest, a leader in outdoor sleeping gear, this sleeping pad redefines restful nights in the wild. With its innovative design, it offers unmatched warmth and comfort in an incredibly compact and lightweight package. The advanced triangular core matrix M technology ensures superior insulation and stability, while the reflective thermocapturatum layer adds warmth without added weight. The pad's easy inflation and deflation, along with the included stuff sack, make it a must-have for backpackers and campers seeking ultimate comfort with minimal weight. Elevate your outdoor sleeping experience with the Therm-a-Rest NeoAir XLite, where innovation meets dreamy comfort for restful nights under the stars. Number 2. Nemo Hornet 2P, the epitome of lightweight livability for solo and duo backpackers. Crafted by Nemo Equipment, a brand known for innovative outdoor gear, this tent redefines comfortable shelter on the trail. Weighing just over 2 pounds, the Hornet 2P offers a spacious interior and vestibules, accommodating 2 occupants and their gear. The easy setup and color-coded poles ensure a hassle-free pitching experience, while the durable materials and weather-resistant construction provide reliable protection against the elements. Whether through hiking or embarking on weekend getaways, the Nemo Hornet 2P tent guarantees a comfortable and enjoyable outdoor stay. Embrace the perfect blend of weight savings and functionality with this essential gear that enhances your connection with nature. Number 1. Osprey Atmos AG 65, the pinnacle of comfort and performance in backpacking packs. Crafted by Osprey, a renowned name in outdoor gear, this pack redefines carrying comfort on long journeys. With its innovative anti-gravity suspension system, it offers unparalleled support and ventilation, evenly distributing weight for a comfortable fit. The adjustable harness and hip hilt guarantee a personalized carry experience. The spacious main compartment and multiple pockets ensure efficient gear organization. Whether through hiking or embarking on multi-day adventures, the Osprey Atmos AG 65 pack guarantees a smooth and comfortable haul. Embrace the fusion of technology and ergonomic design with this essential gear that elevates your outdoor experience, ensuring comfort and performance in every step of your journey.